Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Go to the personal details option, which is the second one, and here tap on the this pencil icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can type in your first and last name, add your phone number, change your email address, and select whether you are mostly interested in women's fashion, men's fashion, or no preference. If you are done with adding all these details and information about yourself, tap on this button save in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.